Types of plants. Plants are living things that grow in the ground, and they come in many different shapes and sizes. We see plants around us every day. Some plants are small and grow in our gardens, while others are very tall and found in forests. Trees. Trees are big, tall plants with a trunk, branches, and leaves. Trees. Picture. Trees. Example, an oak tree or a pine tree. These are tall plants that have thick trunks and branches that stretch outwards. Trees can live for many years, and they provide shade, oxygen, and homes for animals. Shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plants, smaller than trees, with many branches growing from the base. Trees. Picture. Shrubs. Example, think of a rose bush or a boxwood shrub. Shrubs are often used in gardens to make the area look pretty. They can also grow flowers and fruits. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. They are usually used for food, medicine, or fragrance. Herbs. Picture. Herbs. Example, a basil plant or a mint plant. These plants are often used to add flavor to food. They don't grow too tall and have a strong scent. Flowers. Flowers are special plants that bloom to show beautiful petals. They usually attract insects like bees to help them spread their seeds. Flowers. Picture. Flowers. Example, sunflowers, roses, or daisies. Flowers can be colorful and often have a pleasant smell. Ferns. Ferns are plants that don't have flowers or seeds. They reproduce using spores, tiny cells that help them grow into new plants. Ferns. Picture. Ferns. Example, fern plant growing in a shaded area. Ferns usually have green leaves that are long and narrow. Mosses. Mosses are tiny, soft plants that grow in dense green patches. They don't have flowers or seeds, and they grow in moist places. Mosses. Picture. Mosses. Example, moss-covered rock or moss on the ground in a forest. Mosses are tiny but can cover large areas. Vines. Vines are plants that grow long, thin stems. They often climb or trail along surfaces like fences, walls, and trees. Vines. Picture. Vines. Example, grapevine or a morning glory vine. These plants grow long stems that twist around things for support. Cacti. Cacti are special plants that grow in dry places. They have thick, fleshy stems and usually don't need much water. Cacti. Picture. Cacti. Example, saguaro cactus or a prickly pear cactus. These plants can survive in deserts where other plants might not. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are plants that live in water. They can be found in ponds, lakes, or even oceans. Aquatic plants. Picture. Aquatic plants. Example, water lilies, lotus flowers, or water grasses. These plants float on the surface of the water or grow in shallow waters. Grasses. Grasses are plants with narrow green leaves that grow in large groups. They are found all around the world and are important for animals to eat. Grasses. Picture. Grasses. Example, grass in your backyard or the wheat grass that is used to make bread.